What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And check out my latest video I had with my dividend income. It was a big month, so I'll have that in the comment section as well as at the end of the video so you can check it out. It was a big month for passive income. So one of these dividend stocks just announced a dividend hike. And yes, I will cover the covered call ETFs. There's a few new ones that I really need to review. One of them I may consider buying. And I'm going to do some dividend stock reviews next week. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these 3 dividend stocks out right now. And the first dividend stock I went after today was KeyCorp. I threw in $200 worth. It's sitting at 10.07, dividend yield at 8.14%, PE ratio of 6.72, average volume 13.33 million, market cap is 9.42 billion US dollars. Its year range is 854 to 2030. Day range was 10.01 to 10.38, and its previous close was 10.44. Look at this in the past 5 years, the dip down 50.37% against the S&P. But it has not kept up with the S&P. This is why I like these guys. And, you know, they're a cheap dividend stock. Look at this. Right when the pandemic hit, they were at 9.19. They're creeping down. So these guys are somebody that I'm really focusing on right now. And I'm also focusing on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. But these guys are too attractive to say no to right now. Let's check out their revenue and dividend history. There's a few good things I want to point out. So revenue and profit, their annual revenue for 2020 was $7.337 billion, a 4.64% decline from 2019. It's kind of a given because it's a pandemic. KeyCorp annual revenue for 2021 was $7.561 billion, a 3.05% increase from 2020. KeyCorp's annual revenue for 2022 is $8.13 billion, a 7.53% increase from 2021. KeyCorp's revenue for 12 months ending in June 30th, 2023 was $9.544 billion, a 26.7% increase year over year. KeyCorp's revenue for the quarter ending in June 30th, 2023 was $2.619 billion, a 39.23% increase year over year. Let's go over a few more things. And a few things I want to go over is their earnings per share trends. It's slowly trending down. At one point, it was $2.56 in the trailing months, and it dropped to $1.51 or $1.51. So 2020, their annual earnings per share is $1.27, $1.27, a 21.6% decline from 2019. 2021, their annual earnings per share was $2.63, a 107.09% increase from 2020. Their annual earnings per share in 2022 was $1.93, $1.93, a 26.62% decline from 2021. KeyCorp's earnings per share for 12 months ending in June 30th, 2023 was $1.51, a 33.77% decline year over year. Then KeyCorp's earnings per share for the quarter ending in June 30th, 2023 was $0.27 or $0.27, a 50% decline year over year. Let's go over a few more things. Again, let's go over net income. It can be defined as a company's net profit or loss after all revenues, income items, and expenses have been accounted for. So their net income in 2020 was $1.237 billion, a 23.64% decline from 2019. KeyCorp's annual net income for 2021 was $2.519 billion, a 103.64% increase from 2020. KeyCorp's annual net income for 2022 was $1.799 billion, a 28.58% decline from 2021. KeyCorp's net income for the 12 months ending in June 30th, 2023 was $1.398 billion, a 34.95% decline year over year. Then their net income for the quarter ending in June 30th, 2023 was $0.251 billion, a 50.49% decline year over year. So I just want to go over a few things for you with some of their financial statements and some things just to be aware of, because you have to do your due diligence. Of course, you can hear the train in the background. Let's go over their dividend history. Okay, so that annoying train got out of the way in the background with the noise. So 2011, it's a quarterly dividend. It's 3 cents, 2012, 5 cents, 2013, 6 cents. So you're getting some dividend growth. 2014, 7 cents, 2015, 8 cents, 2016, 9 cents, 2017, 10 cents, to 11 cents, 2018, 12 cents to 17 cents, 2019 jumped to 19 cents, 2020 it's still at 19 cents, it hit a rut. I mean, you can blame the pandemic. And then 2021, 20 cents, 2022, 21 cents. So it's a little stagnant at 21 cents in 2023. Their payout ratio, according to Zacks, is 50%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 3. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.85%. So if you bought one share, you made 82 cents with a 7.85% dividend yield. So I'm going to jump to E-Trade right now to show you how many shares I own and my estimated dividend income. So right now at KeyCorp, with my purchase, I have 463.988 shares, which gives me $95.12 quarterly, which I reinvest into my E-Trade dividend portfolio and I reinvest into KeyCorp. So the compound interest is really kicking in with them, which is exciting. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Next one is Bank OZK, and OZK is a symbol. With KeyCorp, it's KEY. So they're sitting at 35.25, a dividend yield of 4.09%, a PE ratio of 6.64, and my neighbor's dogs are going crazy right now. Average volume is 866.77K. Market cap is 4.54 billion US dollars. Year range is 30.72 to 49.52. Day range is 34.89 to 35.98, and its previous close is 35.79. So there is some good news with them. I'll reveal that to you. So here is some good news. This is per Nasdaq.com. Bank OZK has yet again announced a hike of its quarterly dividend. The company declared a quarterly cash dividend of 37 cents per share, making an increase of 2.8% from the prior quarter. The dividend will be paid out on October 20th to shareholders of record as October 30th. This represents the 53rd consecutive quarter of a dividend hike. That's pretty solid. Bank OZK's track record of consistent dividend hikes has led to being included in the S&P High Yield Dividend Aristocrats Index since January 2018. The index includes members of the S&P Composite 1500 that have maintained dividends policy of consistently increasing common stock dividends every year for at least 20 years, and that meet a minimum float adjusted market capitalization and liquidity requirements. So what I like about these guys, these dividend hikes, beautiful. I'll jump to their revenue trends and dividend history. I was a little bit more in depth with KeyCorp. I just wanted to show you some red flags, and they are down and very cheap right now, but they have a high yield, so I just wanted to make you aware of red flags. Let's check out OZK's revenue and dividend history. So I just want to go over the revenue trends with them. 2016, 764. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 1,056. 2018, 1,208. 2019, 1,270. 2020, a little bit of a dip, 1,185. 2021, 1,186. And 2022, 1,380. So there is a nice trend in the revenue, which helps out, and it increases my confidence. And that recent article increases my confidence as well in buying OZK even more. So I'll jump to their dividend history. And this dividend growth is beautiful. Look at this quarterly. 2018, it was 20 cents to 21 cents. 2019, 22 cents. 23 to 24 to 25 cents. That is a lot. And then 2020, 26 cents, 27 cents. Even in October, they hiked their dividend. And then July 2021, they cracked 29 cents. Then the start of 2022, they were right at 30 cents. And then they cracked 31 cents in April, and then July 32 cents, and then October 2022 33 cents. And then at the start of 2023 they hit 34 cents. Then in April they hit 35 cents, and then in July they hit 36 cents. So that is exciting. The payout ratio is 26%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 20. Dividend growth in 5 years is 10.63%. So if you bought one share, you made 144 with a 4.02% dividend yield. That is very attractive. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. And this one is a deal, and I'm going right after them. Truist Financial Corp, TFC, sitting at 27.19. Dividend yield is 7.65%. PE ratio of 6.28. Average volume 9.82 million. Market cap is 36.22 billion US dollars. Year range is 25.56 to 51.26. Day range is 26.84 to 27.42. Previous close is 27.64. Look at this in the past 5 years, down 44.50%. That's why I'm going after the financial sector and real estate sector. They're taking a beating. Look, during the before pandemic, they were beating them at certain times. Then they took a hit. So I'm capitalizing on the dip, and I'm loving it. I'm going straight after them. I don't care what's going on. If the market's bleeding like crazy, I'm in a dollar cost average. I'm going to use that passive income from NVDY and TSLY ETF to buy these dividend growth stocks. And that dividend portfolio is, I'm like tongue twisting, that dividend portfolio is going to be firing away those dividends. And that's why I'm going straight after the financial sector. Jump over the revenue trends and dividend history. So right here, I'm going to jump to the earnings per share. It's a little bit down in June, 93 cents. 2021, the fiscal year, it was 116 with June, then 109. So it's a little bit down. Earnings per share each year, 2021, the fiscal year, 98 cents. 2022, the fiscal year, 99 cents. And earnings per share is 105 right now for earnings per share. And you're seeing a dividend hike, which is nice. I'll go over the revenue trends real quick. These revenue trends really attract me because they're making money even during the pandemic, which was very impressive. So 2016, 8 million US dollars, 11,538, 2017, 12,156, 2018, 12,996, 2019, 14,664, 2020, 24,427. 2021, a little bit of a dip, 23,064, but that's fine because 2022 shows 25,356. So the revenue trends have done very well since 2019. That really attracts me to them. I see that with some dividend stability. Again, got to do your due diligence. I'll have a disclaimer at the end of this video, but I'll show you the dividend history of these guys. I swear, trying to do videos when your neighbor's dog is barking and a train is super loud, it scares the crap out of you and throws you off. It's challenging. So dividend history in 2019, it was 45 cents, 2020, 45 cents, 2021, it cracked 48 cents, and 2022, it cracked 52 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 5.49%. Their payout ratio is 45%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 3. If you bought one share, you made 208 with a 7.53% dividend yield. So I'm going heavy after the financial sector. I've been very clear with that, and I'm going after the real estate sector. They've been taking a beating. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. And after I make myself dinner, I'm going to make that video to have you ready for you tomorrow. Take care, and I'm going to go to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. Make sure you do your due diligence when you invest in stocks. My channel is for entertainment purposes only. This is not to be taken in any form of financial advice. Seek professional advice from a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to give financial advice. I'm very clear with my buys. These 3 dividend stocks I own, I plan on being long on unless if something happens. Investing in the stock market is a huge risk. You can make a lot of money, you can lose you can lose a lot of money. Like literally the dog's barking in the background when I'm trying to do this, and it's throwing me off each time. So make sure you do your research when you invest in dividend stocks or any stock. And again, one more time, do not use this channel in any form of financial advice. Take care and have a great Tuesday.